You recording now?
Yeah, now it's recording.
Ryan, say hi. Where are we going, Ryan?
The Cosbropolitan Brotelli Casino.
It's a Cosbropolitan. You said.
Cosbropolitan with my dog Grover. Yeah.
And we got Herm Puppy right here in the driver's side, chilling like a villain, doing his thing, having some hentai girls on his jock. Yeah. Were the cocktail waitresses on your cock, bro?
Yeah, there's a fucking cock and tail.
Right? They were on his cock.
Oh my god, look at these! I can turn around. Look at these.
Yeah. They're like, look at the ink on your manly arms right there. Oh yeah.
I thought she was about to steal my watch, bro.
Oh, she was looking at your watch, but she didn't want your watch. She wanted those arms.
My appreciation. Oh, dude, the girl, hentai girl over there. Hentai girl.
And here we have Mirage and a hentai girl. Hentai! Hang on here. And she's not looking for the camera yet, but you know, she's being shy.